Imagine a world where a single technology can disrupt industries worth trillions of dollars, revolutionize the way we live and work, and forever change the course of human history. This is science fiction. It's happening right now. Every 60 seconds, a system launches, and with each launch, the boundaries between innovation and disruption are pushed to new extremes. We're talking about a global phenomenon that has been quietly unfolding over the past decade. Since 2010, startup companies have received over $150 billion in funding from venture capitalists, institutional investors, and corporate giants like Google and Amazon. This influx of capital has led to an explosion of innovation, with AI-powered solutions emerging across industries as diverse as healthcare, finance, transportation, and education. Take, for instance, the story of Safia, a humanoid robot developed by Hanson Robotics that was granted Saudi Arabian citizenship in 2017. Citizen into for Safia's creators claim she is the world's first robot citizen, but what's more remarkable is her potential to transform customer service, human-robot interaction, and even social media. With a conversational A like Safia at its core, companies can now provide personalized customer experiences that were previously unimaginable. But it's not just about individual innovations. The cumulative impact of these A launches has been staggering. In 2019 alone, AI-powered solutions disrupted industries worth an estimated $2 trillion in value. That's more than the entire of countries like Sweden and Norway combined. The numbers are mind-boggling. Every week, over $20 billion is invested in AI startups worldwide, fueling a growth trajectory that shows no signs of slowing down. As we continue to explore the frontiers of artificial intelligence, one thing becomes increasingly clear: this technology has already surpassed our wildest expectations. But with great power comes great responsibility, and it's time for us to take a step back and assess the implications of a world where AI launches every 60 seconds. In a world where technological advancements are accelerating at an unprecedented rate, one innovation stands out as the catalyst for transformation. AI systems are being launched every 60 seconds, and with each deployment, industries worth trillions of dollars are being disrupted, forever changed. From finance to healthcare, education to transportation, no sector is immune to the impact of this revolutionary technology. According to a report by Gartner, Over 80 of organizations plan to implement AI solutions in some capacity within the next 2 years. This exponential growth is fueled by the increasing availability of computing power and data storage, making it easier for developers to create and deploy complex AI models. In fact, the global AI market is projected to reach $190 billion by 2025, up from just $21 billion in 2016. One notable example of AI's transformative power is its impact on the financial sector. With the launch of robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront, traditional wealth management firms have seen their business models challenged. These AI-powered platforms offer personalized investment advice and portfolio management at a fraction of the cost, making them an attractive option for individual investors. In healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly. Doctors. For instance, Google's Selena Lymph Node Assistant uses machine learning algorithms to detect breast cancer from mammography images with a high degree of accuracy. This technology has the potential to revolutionize cancer diagnosis and treatment worldwide. As these examples illustrate, AI is not just changing industries, it's redefining the very fabric of our society. With each new launch, we are witnessing a shift in the balance of power as traditional players are forced to adapt or risk becoming obsolete. The pace of change is dizzying, but one thing is certain: AI is here to stay, and its impact will be felt for generations to come. The pivotal moment in the development of these AI systems was marked by a breakthrough in deep learning algorithm. The development of the learning by a breakthrough. Researchers at Google's DeepMind unit, led by Demis Hassabis and Shane Legg, cracked the code for training neural networks with massive datasets. This innovation paved the way for the creation of AlphaGo, an AI that defeated a world champion in Go, a game long considered the ultimate test of human intuition. This achievement was more than just a milestone. It demonstrated the ability of AI to learn and improve at an exponential rate, far surpassing human capabilities. The implications were profound with such technology. Industries that had relied on traditional methods for decades could be transformed overnight. The launchpad for this revolution is the cloud computing infrastructure developed by companies like Amazon Web Services (Oz) and Microsoft Azure. These platforms provided the computational power needed to train and deploy AI models at scale, making it feasible for researchers and developers to experiment with new ideas. In 2016, AlphaGo was followed by a more ambitious project, AlphaZero. This AI system learned from scratch and within hours became a world champion in 3 different games: chess, Go, and poker. The fact that it could adapt and dominate multiple domains simultaneously sent shockwaves through the scientific community. The sheer scale of these AI's capabilities is staggering. For example, IBM's Watson Discovery, launched in 2017, can process vast amounts of text data at speeds of up to 150 million documents per second. This kind of power has far-reaching implications for industries like finance, healthcare, and education. As we've seen, the launch frequency of these AI systems is staggering. Every 60 seconds, a new system goes live, with some estimates suggesting that over 1,000 such launches occur daily. The implications are profound, as each launch has the potential to disrupt industries worth trillions of dollars. Consider the example of AlphaFold, developed by DeepMind's Demis Hassabis and his team. This AI was trained on a dataset of protein structures and was able to predict the 3D structure of proteins with unprecedented accuracy. The consequences were far-reaching, with the potential to revolutionize fields such as medicine, materials science, and biotechnology. Similarly, The launch of the AlphaGo A system in 2016 sent shockwaves through the world of professional Go players. Developed by Google